I remember the day vividly when I saw the pool. I had never swum before, but I thought that everybody could swim without learning. The next thing that I remember, they told me that I wasn't breathing for a couple of minutes. They had to revive me. I was terrified. Hi, my name is PJay. I come from Ghana, the land of joy, kindness, and gold. However, my life took a turn when polio struck at the age of 5, leaving me with 4 legs instead of 2. Hide and seek turned into learning how to walk, run, climb, and do basic activities most kids took for granted. I started school late. I couldn't play with my friends, and I always felt left out. Somebody always had to take care of me, so I started believing that I couldn't do anything by myself. But I worked very hard, and in 2007, I got a scholarship to study in the US with the Kennedy-Lugar Youth Exchange and Study Program. For my Christmas gift, my host family signed me up for swimming lessons. It wasn't easy, but I learned how to swim. When I returned to Ghana, I realized I was the only one like me at the pool. So I got a grant and started Dare to Dive to teach other persons with disabilities how to swim. Today, over 60 people from my project can swim. Remember, there are no limits to what you can do, but we must encourage each other.